Hey guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you guys how to make green spaghetti. This recipe is not only super easy and delicious, but very healthy too. Hope you like this video. Now let's get started. In a large pan, either add hot water or get your water to boil. And then add your seasoning, which is salt. Olive oil in now, which stops the spaghetti from sticking together. Now add your spaghetti in, of course, and let it come to a boil. It usually takes around 10 to 12 minutes to cook the pasta, but it always varies depending on the size and quality. The only real way to test if it's cooked or not is to taste it. It should be al dente or firm to the bite. The more pasta cooks, the gummier it gets. While the pasta is cooking, let's make the sauce. I'm using homegrown leafy green vegetables here. So I'm using spinach, chilies, mint, and coriander. Everybody does spaghetti in a different way, one's partially similar to another, and this is my mom's recipe. Please note that this recipe is pretty spicy, so if you want it milder, use less chilies. Add all the greens into the blender and blend until really smooth. Personally, I am not a big fan of eating green vegetables, and as a teenager, it's very crucial for me to have those vitamins and minerals that leafy vegetables offer. And if you're just like me, blending the greens is a great idea, and pasta along with it is just fully loaded with taste and very nutritious at the same time. It's a lovely way to get a host of extra greens into your diet, and in your kids if you have them, without even you knowing. Add some salt as seasoning. I'm using rock salt and a glass of water, which makes it easier for you when blending. Put a lid on and blend until really nice and smooth, and put it aside until we use it. In another large pan, add a stick of butter. Pour some olive oil and wait for the butter to melt fully. Next comes chopped garlic. I used around 5 and fry the garlic until slightly golden. Pour your prepared green paste and let it boil for a while. Boiling the paste removes the raw taste in the veggies. As you can see, the pasta is cooked now. As mentioned earlier, it should be al dente or firm to the bite. Squeeze half a lemon for extra flavor. Once the paste is ready, it's time to combine the spaghetti with the paste. I'm using the help of tongs as it's the easiest way to transfer the spaghetti and mix it. Watch till the end to see what I did with the leftover spaghetti. Add some cheese and mix it again. Top it off with a stick of butter and green spaghetti is ready. Sprinkle some oregano for extra taste and serve into a serving plate. Hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, with the notifications turned on, to be the first one to see my videos.
I could see that.
With the remaining spaghetti, I made this very easy red spaghetti with pasta sauce, and it turned out so tasty and delicious. I will upload another video on how to make this type of spaghetti. Until then, bye!